back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing my channel, my name is 𝦸Say. I'm a content creator based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful pom-pom. You can attach it to your hat, to your cap like this. You can attach it to a beanie. You can use it as a key holder. You can use it for so many beautiful accessories. So if this is what you would like to watch, please stick to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, and leave me a constructive comment. So I'm going to be showing you guys what we'll be needing for this pom-pom. The first thing first we're going to be needing is going to be a pom-pom maker. This thing can be gotten from Jumia in Nigeria. It can be gotten from Konga. It can also be gotten from Amazon. Just go over there and type pom-pom maker. So you're going to see beautiful different types of pom-pom maker, and then you can get one for yourself. This pom-pom maker comes in this particular one I'm using came 4. Like we have 4 pom-pom maker in one set. So you can make your pom-pom as big as you want, as small as you want. So we're going to be making use of this small one for this tutorial. And then we're going to be needing a scissors. I'm going to be needing yarn for this. I'm going to be making a small pom-pom. So the first thing you're going to do, open it this way, because it can be opened 2 ways like this. So you're going to open up the first part of the pom-pom maker, and then you're going to attach your yarn. You're going to attach your yarn this way, hold on to it like so, and then you start wrapping it around the pom-pom maker. You wrap it round, making sure you fill up every space. So I'm going to do mine and I'll get back to you guys very soon. So guys, you can see how big mine is. So this is how big mine is. You can see how full and big it is. You can continue to add as much as you want. It is your preference, is what you like. So by the time you're done with this, this is how I do mine. I attach the yarn this way and attach it to this open corner, and then I close it off this way. Take the yarn through this open space so that I can go over to this other side. Then when I get to this other side, I start rolling. I repeat that same process I did. That same process I did on this part, I'm going to repeat that same process over here. I'll make sure I fill all the gaps. So by the time you're done and you're okay with your result, you can now cut off your yarn. Cut off your yarn. So when you cut off your yarn, you'll be left with something. It's this particular type of arrangement, something like this. So what we do next now is to use your scissors, insert it into this open space, and then cut off the yarn. Like, just make sure you cut it open this way. Cut it open till the end. Go over to this other side and repeat the same step. Cut it open. So when you cut it open, this is what you get. So you're going to get 1 strand of yarn, and we're going to attach it to this pom-pom. So what we do now is put the yarn this way across the pom-pom maker, and then tie it It depends on you. This is how I do mine, just for it to be strong, just for the first part of it to be strong. I tie it, then I take it backwards just to make it secured and very tight so it doesn't lose in case you attach it to your beanie or use it for something else. You tie it again. You can repeat the process as much as you want. You can repeat the process as much as you want. If you're feeling like it's not secured yet, continue tying it until you are okay with it. So I'm going to go with these 3. So what we do next now is to remove the pom-pom maker this way. Remove the first one, the second one. Just remove everything and then remove the pom-pom maker entirely and keep it. So this is what we get. Your pom-pom. To make it look nice, you can trim it to the shape you feel like. If you're feeling like one is longer than the other one, you can trim it. This can be used as a key holder, can be used as a design. This is exactly what I did here, but I used a bigger size, which is this. So you can use it to design anything you feel like. You can use it for so many things. So guys, I hope you've been able to learn a lot of things from this video. I hope you will be able to try it at home and make your own pom-pom if you are a crochet artist. And if you've not, you can use it to do a lot of design. You can use it to do a lot of home decor and all of those stuff. So if you've not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment, because it helps me to bring out video like this. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.